Hey everyone, it's Drayton from Scale Trains, and I have an exciting announcement for you today. Our factory has given us another opportunity to extend pre-orders for our new rivet counter in scale Trinity Mechanical Reefers. And these cars are cool. I mean that literally and figuratively, because they make sound, which is pretty darn cool. The refrigerator sound comes on and it sounds just like the prototype. As a matter of fact, we also just received samples from our factory. Check this out. All right, so now that you've heard the sound, here's a little bit of information about the freight car. In 2001, BNSF ordered 810 of these cars from Trinity for use in produce service across North America. Around 2005, a lot of these cars started to receive yellow conspicuity striping for better visibility at night at grade crossings, out in the middle of nowhere. If you're approaching a grade crossing, sometimes it's kind of hard to see trains. And so these yellow stripes are present on these cars today. We're offering several different versions, some as-delivered versions with early versions of the HVAC system, and later versions with the same early HVAC system, but also conspicuity stripes. We're also offering a later version of the Thermo King HVAC system, which you can get. So if you want to collect them all, you can get all the road numbers and build a sizable train in scale. And you'll also qualify for our quantity buy pricing, so you can get a little bit of a discount when you order more. And of course, you're eligible for free shipping within the contiguous United States on orders over $99. So make sure you click the link in the video description. Pre-order these models now. This is going to be one of the final opportunities that you can get these cars before pre-order reservations are due. They're expected to arrive later this winter, so make sure you reserve yours today. The HO scale cars sold out quickly. We expect the same thing here in N-Scale, so make sure you pre-order yours today. If you haven't done it yet, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get more videos just like this. Thanks for tuning in.